In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Privy Popup images Shopify. We'll walk through the full process of changing and adjusting the images in your Privy Popups so they look great on your Shopify store. Even if you're new to Privy or to editing pop-ups in general, just follow along step by step and pause the video whenever you need to. First, start by logging into your Privy account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your existing campaigns and pop-ups. Take a moment to find the specific pop-up whose image you want to edit. It might help to look at the campaign names or the thumbnails, so you're sure you're opening the right one. When you've found it, click on that pop-up to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. This right-hand panel is where all of your customization options live. This is where you'll control the image position, upload new images, remove old ones, and adjust how they appear. Spend a second getting familiar with this panel because you'll be using it a lot. Next, look for the image position settings. Here you can choose exactly where the image appears in relation to your text. You can place the image on the left side, on the right side, above the text, below the text, or choose to have no image at all and use purely text. Think about your design and what you want visitors to focus on. For example, a product image on the left and text on the right can feel very balanced, while an image above the text can be great for a more visual, banner-style pop-up. Now, under the desktop image upload section, you have more detailed controls. Click Replace Image if you want to swap out the current image. This will let you upload a new image from your computer. If you don't have an image yet, this is where you'll upload one for the first time. If you decide you don't want any image in that spot, click the trash icon to remove it completely. Once your main image is in place, adjust the image sizing. You can choose between fill, fit, or crop. Fill will make the image cover the entire available space, which is great for bold visuals but might trim the edges a bit. Fit will keep the entire image visible, usually adding some padding or background space around it. Crop lets the pop-up focus on the most important part of the image, trimming away less important areas. Try each option and see which one looks best with your design. You can also add alt text to your image. Alt text is a short description of the image that helps with accessibility and can improve your SEO. Use a simple, clear description of what's in the image, like yellow summer dress on hanger, or discount offer graphic. In that same section, you'll also see the option to edit your desktop background image. This is different from the main content image. It's the image that sits behind the entire pop-up. You can replace the background image, upload a new one if you haven't set one yet, or click the trash icon to remove it. Just like with the main image, you can adjust this background image's sizing to fill, fit, or crop, depending on how you want it to display. Once you're happy with all of your changes, don't forget to save them. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save and Close. This step is important. If you skip it, your edits won't be applied to the live pop-up on your Shopify store. After saving, you can preview your pop-up on your site to make sure everything looks the way you want. That's all you need to do to edit Privy Popup images in Shopify.